Welcome to day 61 of my 100 Days of Webflow journey. Today we're gonna go over how you can add your own custom font to the Webflow project that you're working on. This is a very easy yet very useful tip on how you can do that best. Of course, when I say best, I mean best for website performance, best for website visibility on the indexing on Google, and best for loading time. So without further ado, let's check it out. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and stay tuned on this 100 Days of Webflow journey. Let's get to work. Okay, so today we're gonna see how to install custom fonts on the Webflow website. Now this is one of the projects that I used the font that was already native, and I want to download another typeface, another font. So usually the fonts that you download come in this format. So you have this file, the zip file, you unzip it, you have TTF, OTF, different versions, different weights, and that's basically the font. So you go to dashboard, to your Webflow site settings of the project that you're working on, and you go to fonts. By the way, amazing UI. And then here you upload the font. Now in my case it was this font, so I just want to upload font, and then I will just choose this one. And you preferably download the OTF because that's the one that is lighter, and it's good for the website performance. So this, we'll just call it Merlin. So it's called Merlin, and it's a demo font. I'm just using this for the sake of the example. I'm not actually using this font commercially. So this is how you install the font on your project, and then now you go back to designer and you're gonna see the font installed there. So if I go to body, select body, all pages, and I want to download Merlin demo, it's there. And now if I publish, and you see like the font's already changing on everywhere on the site. So if I publish and view this, it's Merlin fonts as I wanted. So this is how you put a custom font on your Webflow website. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I taught you something today. Make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and stay tuned on this 100 Days of Webflow journey. A lot of cool Webflow stuff are on the way. Let's go. See you tomorrow.